Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of our newly arrived 2023 MasterCraft XT24. This boat, we did the blue metal flake accent stripes with white hull, white decking, and the white MasterCraft logo with Chromax Z8 tower, BTS windshield, but with the white inlay. Makes it pretty cool in the detailing. Got the silver wakeboard swiveling racks coming around the back. So new for 2023 on the XTs, you have the rear flip seats. Pretty cool. It just flips up like this, and you got a nice little pocket seat there to hang out in the back on both sides. I'm going to take you up into the boat. The XTs also have this great feature. We have a nice walkthrough right now with a pop-up ski tow bar, so it's not in your way, and a non-trip area right here, and then a nice sea deck to step right down onto, and then the flip seat. It's a hidden handle. Phone holders on both sides of the boat. Blue interior, the white stitching, white cool feel, accent interior. Got the Decadence flooring on the 24. You got the pop-up seat here, pop-up backrest there. We did the advanced audio, so you got the 4 speakers in the cockpit, 2 in the front, subwoofer, and 2 8.0 Klish tower speakers. Got the 7-inch touchscreen, and then you got the phone holder with built-in charger, digital, and then analog gauges. This boat at 24 feet long, plenty of room, huge bow space up here. Boat's rated for 17 people. It's got the 6-liter, 380 horsepower Ilmore engine and SurfStar system. This boat throws out a tremendous surf wave. It's a great wakeboard wake, but it also water skis really well, but just a great all-around riding boat too. So come and check out the MasterCraft XT24 at our MarineMax store here in Greenville, or give us a call at 864-236-9005, or check us out online at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you very much.